Yeah, I just shot out and got some tape. It is always a good idea. Because when you're fitting your tile and it doesn't quite fit, and you sort of start pushing and pulling things and you scratch that, no, it's a no-no. Oh, cool. I'm happy with that. Good one. I like it a lot. You see, I touched that 5 times probably. So I could have 3 scratches. Easy. But because I protected it, we're fine. See how these, you can tell these tiles have got a slight cup in them because they're not sitting flat, but they're all the same because when you lay them with clips, it seems like they're dead, well, you know, they're dead flat. So, but they're not exactly flat. Super minute, but for it to spin around like that, like a propeller, exaggerated, they are a bit of a propeller. Anyway. I find it easy just to adjust my tile a tad when I've clipped it up. There you are, perfect. If you're seeing something and you don't quite understand how I've done it, just drop me a line and I'll get back to you with an answer. If you like what I do and you like what I see or what you see, give us a thumbs up. And give us a, oh, cool, buddy. Like your style. Love your work. If you'd like to see something again, if you sort of missed it a little, just let me know and I'll play it again. I'll do it again. Play it again, Sam. Just give me a hey dude, can you do that again? Yeah, no worries, glad to. My goal is I want to teach everyone I can. I'll do one more, and then I'll do those. So if I do one more and then I'll come up here and then I can cut that in. Again, that's a 12mm notchy. I use it, well, they're only cheap too, like 20 bucks. When they wear down a little, you just replace them, chuck it out. But my main trowel that I use, my main notchy, is a 12mm, 12 by 12. When ceramics were in, they varied in thickness, so then you'd change your trowel size, because sometimes the ceramic was thinner and that sort of thing, so you'd use a 10mm or an 8mm, but now it's all 10mm tile. Everything's sort of 10mm these days, so you use a 12 or a 15mm notchy.